Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete phone apps. If you're using any phone and you want to delete any of your app, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to look for the app which you want to delete, and I'm going to delete this one, so just keep a long press on it, then select delete option here, and after that just select uninstall. But if you want to get it here, you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for apps. Here's that, just tap on it. In apps, you just have to select all apps here, and here you'll get all the apps installed in your phone. You just have to look for one which you want to uninstall or delete, and I'm going to delete this one, so just tap on it, then select uninstall option here, then select OK. In this way you can easily delete any app from your phone. So that's how you can easily delete phone apps on your Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.